Hello, myself Mohit Saudari. I am from Jalgaon.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Lata Ranka and I'm a practicing eye surgeon in Mumbai.
Hello, good afternoon to all. I am Akash from Mumbai.
My name is Anil Patel. I work in Mumbai in Reliance and I reside in Pune.
Hi, I'm Purnima Jairaj. I'm from Bangalore.
Professionally, I am an electrical contractor, and before joining this process, I was very much procrastination. I was having difficulty in making a decisions.
So my journey started in November 24 and what do I say about it, that I had a lot of fear about my childhood, things getting repeated, and because of that these were my beliefs that I cannot move ahead with these fears and all. So with the processes and with the guidance of my coach Mayuri, she really helped me get out of this phase and become fearless.
I have joined in month of Jan. Then I directly enrolled without a second thought, because at that time I know what I was going through and everything was coming in back of my mind. This is what you want. This can transform your life whatever way you want, and that too in a positive way. And with this, when I started this journey, I was zero.
In 3rd January, I joined this program, and since I joined this program, I have seen a lot of changes in me. On 3rd January, I had last smoke. Since 3rd January, I didn't smoke. That was my greatest achievement, and still I have to achieve more. I know that I can heal myself. I don't practice regularly. Sometimes I practice, then sometimes I don't practice, but I don't give up. I always restart myself, and because I believe I can heal myself.
I joined this course because I didn't know what was going through me. Then I came to know it was procrastination, and I was blessed in it. I was having work, even then I was not doing them. But I'm not like that. I'm a hard worker. That was not me. Then later I bumped into Dr. M's, the scroller in YouTube. Then I thought, let me go for it. And then I stand here in front of you.
After doing this course and after going through the processes and everything, I was able to clear out all my past difficulties and was able to make the decisions faster. And yes, after getting in touch with my coach, I was able to clear out many of my doubts.
So today I stand here to say that yes, I am fearless. I don't carry that baggage of fear and scare with me, which I had earlier to that. So the thing is, the processes really help you, and I have a takeaway for everyone that once you join this, you are not left alone. You're in a journey with a lot of people who really handhold you and take you forward. So I'm really thankful to Dr. M for giving us this wonderful processes, which as a doctor I feel I never needed them, but yes, of course they've made me a new doctor right now.
And now I am somewhere at the better place, because I have much more to improve. But one thing is clear, this is what I have to do. My strong message to upcoming champions: join this community and practice all the sessions, and you will end up in a better version of yourself.
And I am very thankful for Dr. Yam. And my another great achievement is my relations with my spouse, my father has improved a lot. I know I have to do a lot and for healing myself.
I would say that everybody has to do this course because it brings your true self. And you'll not believe my story is, this is my first time in Mumbai. I never traveled alone. And it was a big achievement. I had a lot of anxiety, and today I'm in this event so calm and relaxed, and I'm loving it. I met so many people. I mean, it's like you should be with the like-minded people to know who you are. So hence I would suggest everybody to go for this. Don't think, a second thought about it. Thank you.